Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 9. And it's a good news that you are actually the student of class metric, because ninth is the part 1 of class metric. You will be registered or enrolled in examination or with the board as a student of SSC part 1, secondary school certificate part 1. That means you are in the part 1 of matriculation. So, my dear student, welcome to your first online class about new session 2021 and 22. This is English literature at this moment, and you are just to study about the first unit, and it is ethics and character building. Ethics and character building means there is something for us, for every one of us, to build our character better and to understand what are the ethics of living. And the heading of the first chapter of unit 1 is 1.1, that is the last sermon of the Holy Prophet, then Khutbah Hajjatul Wida of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, this chapter is big and we cannot cover it in a small lecture of online class. So I will give you an idea that we have to make certain point to note, and we should carry on with that points. And this point will cover all the aspects of the chapter, and we can make it, or at this moment I am talking about the chapter and just I am making point. The first point is that is the birth of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the 571 AD. It is the year of Christian calendar. And the other calendar, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the year Amul Fil. That was the year when Abraha attacked Khane Kaaba with his just force of elephants, और अल्लाह ताला ने अबाबील के ज़रिए उसके हाथियों को तबाह कर दिया, और सूरह फिल नाजिल की हवाले से. So he, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah, and his family name, rather his tribe name was Quraysh, and his family name was Hashim. He was from Banu Hashim, and Quraysh was the tribe. However, his parent name Hazrat Amna, mother Radiyallahu Ta'ala anha, and Hazrat Abdullah, his father Radiyallahu Ta'ala anhu. We should know the name of parents, and then when we proceed, there is the time of his marriage. But before that, I have to tell you something that you might have studied in Islamiyat, that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam proved himself the best person on the earth, even before Besat, before the revelation, before the announcement of his prophethood. And Quraysh was compelled; they were compelled to just call him true, the most true, Sadiq, and the trusted or the trustable person, Amin. सादिक और अमीन का खिताब आपको दिया, और आपको सादिक कह के पुकारते थे, अमीन कह के पुकारते. सादिक सच्चाई की वजह से, अमीन अमानतदार होने की वजह से. यही वजह है कि व्हेन ही लेफ्ट मक्का फॉर हिजरत, तो ही जस्ट आस्क्ड हज़रत अली to return all those very trusted things that had been kept with him, to return the people, कि उन्हें अमानतें वापस करने के लिए हज़रत अली से कहा, खुद जा रहे हैं हिजरत करके, लेकिन अमानतें जिसकी हैं उनको देके जाओ. However, so he asked the Quraysh, कब, जब, लेकिन उससे पहले, नबूवत से पहले अपने आप को आपने prove himself the best person. And then when he married, when he was 25, he married to Hazrat Khadijatul Kubra, Tayyaba Tahira, and she was of 40 years of age. But she was the best woman at that time. The entire Makkah just respected her. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam set just criteria that a person can marry a woman older than him if she is better in character and personality and is just fame. However, he just when he became 40 years of age, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam की जब एज 40 ईयर हुई, then the first wahi came to him through हज़रत जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम. याद है आपको कुरान की आयत बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़. वो आयत नाजिल हुई और आपने उसके बाद प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम स्टार्टेड और जस्ट कमिंस्ड टेलिंग and asking the Quraysh not to worship their false gods because they were just worshipping their idols. They made them by their hands and then worship. खुद सोचें, खुद जिस चीज़ को बनाया उसी को अपना खुदा समझ लिया, अपने हाथ से बुत बना के खुदा समझ के पूज रहे हैं उसको. But when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom they used to say Sadiq and Amin, they turned against him because they thought that he was against their ancestors and their gods. And their behavior became so aggressive and terrible, the Prophet was compelled to ask his followers, the Muslims, to migrate from Makkah to Yasrib. Yasrib is the old name of Medina. The former name it was known as Yasrib. In the year 622. That means Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Yasrib, yani Madinatul Nabi, in the year 622. And he himself migrated with his faithful friend Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Now, till then, yani up to the migration, I have told you the main point, birth. Rasulullah, he was born in 571 AD in Makkah, in the family of Quraysh, and his mother name was Amna and father name was Abdullah. He married at the age of 25 to Hazrat Khadija al-Kubra, whose age was 40. And the first revelation came through Hazrat Jibreel at the age of 40, and Rasulullah announced his prophethood in the age of 40. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after the revelation of Wahi, the first Wahi, he started preaching Islam and he asked Quraysh not to worship their false god because they were used to worship idols. But the Quraysh become against, they did not accept this preaching of Islam. Although they trusted Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he was the most trustable person on earth, but they turned against him. And they were so aggressive and terrible that they teased, they tortured the new Muslim people who converted to Islam, the kuffar or the Quraysh or the people of Makkah who accepted Islam. The Quraysh used to torture them, and their torture became so terrible that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was compelled to ask them to migrate to Medina. That was old name was Yasrib. Yasrib in the year 622, and he himself accompanied with Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu migrated to Medina. So in short, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born 571 AD in Makkah in family of Quraysh. His mother name was Amna, father name was Abdullah, and he married at the age of 25 to Hazrat Khadija al-Kubra, and the prophethood was revealed, the first Wahi was revealed at the age of 40. And he asked the Quraysh not to worship their false god, but Quraysh turned against him, and they were so terrible that they teased and tortured new Muslims. Rasulullah, just because of their torture, compelled to migrate to Medina in the year 622. So that's all today, my boys, and I will be talking more in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.